Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the rich and fascinating history of the Olympic Games. An event that has captivated audiences for centuries. From its ancient origins in Greece to the modern spectacle we know today, the Olympics tell a story of competition, culture, and unity. Let's explore how this iconic event has evolved over the millennia. The first recorded Olympic Games took place in 776 BC at Olympia, Greece. These games were held in honor of Zeus, the king of the Greek gods, and were part of a religious festival. The ancient Greeks believed that athletic competition was a way to honor the gods and demonstrate human excellence. Athletes from various city-states competed in events such as running, wrestling, boxing, and chariot racing. The most prestigious event was the stadion, a sprinting race that was roughly 192 meters long. It was a test of speed and endurance, and winning this event was a matter of great pride for the athletes and their cities. Winners received olive wreaths, a symbol of peace and victory, and were celebrated as heroes in their home cities. In fact, victorious athletes were often immortalized in statues and poems, highlighting their achievements. The ancient Olympics were held every 4 years, establishing the Olympiad, a 4-year period that became a method of measuring time in ancient Greece. The Games attracted thousands of spectators and participants, fostering a sense of community and shared culture. The Olympics were more than just athletic competitions, they were a vital part of Greek culture and religion. The Games attracted people from all over Greece, creating a sense of unity among the often warring city-states. During the Olympic Games, a truce known as the Ekakeria was declared, allowing safe passage for athletes and spectators traveling to Olympia. This truce emphasized the importance of peace and cooperation, even amid conflict. In addition to athletic events, the Olympics included artistic competitions, such as poetry and music, reflecting the Greeks' belief in the harmony of body and mind. Victors in these contests were celebrated alongside athletes, showcasing the multifaceted nature of Greek culture. The ancient Olympics continued for nearly 12 centuries, until 393 AD, when Emperor Theodosius I banned them, viewing the games as pagan rituals. This marked the end of an era, as the Olympic tradition faded into history, leaving behind a legacy that would lie dormant for over a millennium. The decline of the ancient Olympics coincided with the rise of the Roman Empire. As Rome expanded, it absorbed Greek culture but also imposed its own values and practices. In 393 AD, Emperor Theodosius I officially banned the Olympic Games as part of a broader effort to suppress pagan practices and promote Christianity. This decision effectively ended the ancient tradition, and the ruins of Olympia became a silent testament to a once great celebration of human achievement. For over 1,000 years, the legacy of the Olympics lay dormant, with the ideals of competition and unity waiting for a revival. Fast forward to the late 19th century. In 1896, a French educator named Pierre de Coubertin sought to revive the Olympic spirit, believing that sports could promote peace and understanding among nations. With the support of various international leaders and athletes, the first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece, a symbolic return to the Games' birthplace. This historic event featured athletes from 14 nations competing in 43 events, marking the beginning of a new era. The modern Olympics embraced a broader range of sports, including gymnastics, swimming, and cycling. The Games also introduced the Olympic motto, Citius, Altius, Fortius, which means faster, higher, stronger. This motto encapsulates the Olympic spirit of striving for excellence. The revival of the Olympics was a remarkable success, capturing the imagination of the world and laying the groundwork for future games. Since 1896, the Olympics have evolved significantly. The Games expanded to include winter sports in 1924, with events like skiing and ice hockey, showcasing athletes' skills in colder climates. The Olympics have grown to feature thousands of athletes from over 200 nations, making it one of the largest sporting events in the world. The Games have also become a platform for social change, with athletes using their visibility to advocate for various causes. Iconic moments in Olympic history include Jesse Owens' 4 gold medals at the 1936 Berlin Games, which challenged Nazi ideology, and the historic Black Power salute by Tommy Smith and John Carlos at the 1968 Mexico City Games, a powerful statement against racial injustice. Despite facing challenges such as political boycotts, controversies over amateurism, and issues of doping, the spirit of competition and unity has persevered, demonstrating the resilience of the Olympic movement. As we look to the future, the Olympics continue to adapt to changing societal values and global challenges. Recent games have focused on inclusivity, gender equality, and environmental sustainability. For instance, the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, held in 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, showcased the resilience of athletes and organizers. The Games featured the highest number of female athletes in history, reflecting a commitment to gender parity. With the upcoming Games in Paris 2024, there is a renewed focus on sustainability, with plans to use existing venues and minimize the environmental impact of the event. This commitment to sustainability is crucial as the world faces climate change and environmental challenges. The Olympics will strive to inspire new generations of athletes and fans, promoting values of friendship, respect, and excellence. The Olympic Games have come a long way since their inception in ancient Greece. They embody the spirit of competition, unity, and perseverance, transcending borders and cultures. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Olympic moments in the comments below.